Good morning. I am up at Rainy Lake for the next 3 days. Today's day 1. We just woke up. I gotta get ready. We're gonna go start cooking some breakfast. It's 6:15 and then we're gonna go catch. Stay tuned. Outfit of the day. I got my American Eagle shorts. This is like a get munch shirt or something. I don't know, fishing shirt. And then I'm swimsuit. Because it's Canada, but it's August, so girl's gonna try to catch a tan. As well as a couple walleyes, and maybe a northern, and maybe some smallmouth. So we'll see what the day brings. Let's go. Hayes is making breakfast, so we gotta go to the other cabin. My buddy Billy gave me his tripod for the day, or maybe for the weekend, so we're gonna have some good footage. But this is my walk to the boat. I'm gonna just put my phone and tripod in there.
This thing.
Now I am.
Great. You going?
Holy crap. I was just dangling my feet in the water. Number 9, 25. We are getting ready to have a shore lunch. We caught our couple fish. We're gonna flame up and eat some fruit. Got it? I just want to add, we were snapping the necks so that they weren't flopping while we were trying to fillet them for our shore lunch. So stay tuned for the shore lunch.